Saturday morning, about 9 o'clock, I think. We've done some chores and had cereal breakfast, and now getting ready to work on the workshop. This is, I laid out last night the sill plates, and I'm gonna have to mark them, drill holes for the anchor bolts. Have this for later because we'll be going vertical. But really the task right now is to go through all this and find where our hardware kit is somewhere in these piles. And the overhang pile is on the other side. It's going to be windy, so I don't know how much recording we'll do, but nice cool day, good day to work. Okay, about 4:30, and it's been quite a day. These 6x6 pressure treated seal beams make 2x4s feel like toothpicks. This sucker right here at the end, for sure, 16 foot long. So worked really hard to finally get it squared. That was the biggest challenge. So we're finally squared off. Exactly the same measurements from this angle to that far angle, and from that angle to this angle. Which means we're square, which means I can start building. Nice, I'm looking forward to this. Debbie, there's a fly on the camera. Debbie is mowing. I don't know if you can hear her in the background. She's mowing with the Kubota and has been helping all day. Here, as we've gotten to this point, I just needed to make these adjustments, so she got busy mowing while I was making the adjustments. All right, gonna keep going. Again, had to try to get square in the building, and there we go. I like it. Good there. Get these up here. This is rough sawed lumber, so dimensions can be off, like up to 1/4 inch or something, but a little different flush than your nominal lumber. Yeah, this is definitely a major undertaking. 59 years old, feeling every bit of that in my muscles after doing the beams, for sure. But I like challenges, and yeah, so I'm enjoying it. All right, I'll go follow up with nails in those spots, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so Sunday, September 20th, beautiful morning. It's in the 50s and high today of 73. It's been drier and really nice weather for working. We got the sill, 6x6 sills down yesterday. Finally got the building squared. That was a big under project. Of course, we have our first aid kit over there because I have my first little on-site injury. Unfortunately, workers' comp is not available with this particular builder, which is myself. But the plans today and the goal today is to put up posts. We'll start at the corners and we'll be putting up posts and beams across the top. Hope to get that done today so that tomorrow so what we need today are the posts going up, then the beams across. We'll do them on both sides, and then we'll do the gable ends. That's the plan for today. Yeah, so one of the visits to Don, we picked up ratchet set that he had in the garage that he offered to us. Thank you very much, Don. And Debbie's going to use that to bolt down the seals as I put the post up. Perfect. Oh, it's Monday morning, about 8:30. Got today and tomorrow off, wanting to get a little bit further on the shop for this weekend. Wind was blowing like crazy, so set up and we'll get it going. See how far we get. Okay, I should mention it's like 50 degrees this morning. A little chilly for us here in Georgia, but probably good weather for this. Okay, I've got my wagon of goodies that I keep up by the trailer, heading down to the workshop barn. Day 4 of barn apocalypse. It's 46 this morning, much cooler, but another beautiful day. This is the last day, vacation, and I'll have to go back to work tomorrow and then wait for the next weekend opportunity to keep working. Okay, the loft joists are done, laid out, I believe 24 on center, and with this kit they even marked which side was crown for the boards, which was really nice. Getting ready to put the flooring up here, and just gonna cheat and mark my center lines so I can, and I'm using screws instead of nails. It's just easier for me.